Datums. Definition. Datums are theoretical. It consists of A. Points, B. Axes, C. Planes. These elements exist within a framework of three mutually perpendicular intersecting planes known as datum reference frames. The datum reference frame is a virtual reference frame that does not exist on the part actually. Therefore, it is necessary to establish a method of simulating the theoretical reference frame from the actual features of the part. Simulation method. The simulation is accomplished by positioning specifically identified features in contact with appropriate datum simulators in a stated order of precedence to restrict motion of the part and to relate the part adequately to the datum reference frame. These specifically identified features are called as datum features. A free-floating part has 6 degrees of freedom. 1. Rotation about x. 2. Rotation about y. 3. Rotation about z. 4. Translation about x. 5. Translation about y. 6. Translation about z. Simulation continued. Let us log the part in a simulated datum reference frame. Establishing a primary datum reference frame, we see that 2 rotational and 1 linear degrees of freedom are eliminated. Now, bringing in a secondary datum plane, we find that 2 more degrees of freedom are eliminated. Now, bringing the part in contact with a tertiary datum plane, the remaining single degree of freedom is also eliminated, and this provides a positive part orientation for any manufacturing or inspection procedure required. Datum feature. Consider a surface plate having a real feature of adequately precise form contacting the datum features. This real surface is called as simulated datum feature. Now consider a part, a real feature of a part, in this case a surface, which is used to establish the location of a datum is called as datum feature. As datum features are subject to manufacturing errors and variations, it may be necessary, where appropriate, to specify tolerances of form to them. Establishing datums. Datum is the center point of the sphere. The datum feature is the real surface of the sphere. The simulated datum feature may be 2 V-blocks. The task of the simulated datum feature is to define the location of the sphere center point. Consider an annular cylinder. The datum is the cylinder axis. The datum feature is the whole surface. The order in which datum features are specified in a feature control frame can have considerable effect on part orientation in the datum reference frame.